So in Firefox, when you search from the new tab bar, like this for example, it immediately searches to the address bar instead of, where it's supposed to be typing. So how to fix this? What you gotta do is go to About Config. About:config. And it's going to open this configurator. And there's a warning right there, but you can just click it off. Now, in here, what you gotta do is search for handoff. And there's gonna be a browser, net, new tab page, activity stream, improve search, handoff to awesome bar. This is the problem. Toggle it to false. Make sure it's set to false. You can double click it, or you can press this button right here to toggle it off. And then, new tab, and search it here. It will type it right there, exactly, where it's supposed to be. Subscribe.